Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make coconut milk Jamaican style. First, crack the dried coconut and remove the meat or fleshy white part from the nut. Then wash it. Then cut the coconut meat into small pieces. Transfer to a blender, add 1 or 2 cups of water and blend. This is how it should look after blending. Separate the blended coconut milk from the coconut meat, or as we say in Jamaica, the trash. You can use your coconut milk to make Jamaican rice and peas, run down your curry, or to your coffee, smoothies, and vegetables, and more. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.